Federans, so be say Federans, best I what brand?
I don't want a brand.
Yo. Too much GH near Ghana for Asher for Etie for. Onipa bi a won subscribe e wo too much GH no subscribe wo na ehintasem ensema ebuafa on my Ghana so ena ye de bremu one god in here the only one god in GH eho na de bia mehwe abrechefo ene Ghana for mo mo wiasa fa na me recommend emamo too much GH.
Me mama kwa bashonko ebatuma GH me din Edna na ama obusa me di just say na asemesi ehu behia say me bia mu ache ahwefo ene etiefo na enche bia ena beef bi ema no so e wo music industry no emu na enye the regular kind of beef na dan ehu no e wo industry na we dey man kasa ena wo mu Kenya beef we na me kan man na me say sister fia ena o sha say with WMT. Na this the fear WMT by no just say akwa ma baby akoduri de eni anya kasa na sister fear di WMT by no nim say o de begini din ena eye Federans so be chen say that bi untimi ndi din sa bra no eti wo no so ye rap god ono so betimi akasa e wo rap mu ento ono so di KMT e be try to eno na koma eno baro ni di eye rap goddess e de ba ye na rap goddess na chi na eye sister fear hu say se ade de will also qualify as a rapper and to me release another rap song as a this song or the reply omumienu no release WMT the next release na UJN you got next na no no baron the sabe reply no with argument done you nim say nke to atwa no this koso wo muntem na nke to atwa no argument done a settle issue no oh yetetua freedom so e dey ababiem said that be any argument done point of correction. Now point of correction no woman no de kakra bi na de aka no wo de dware sister fia na ensem be pie fimu ba na busia for na ensem akese revelations e matter kwa ene enya wo mu na ho e no de kire yen say yen Ghana for yen tese yen aso yen tie ne na sister fia ne godfather de bia de na no de nchia no ye shout out godfather nya na e ye real godfather wo re no de age godfather and no na ye the details e we kire na biem so no jeje song no de ba ye hiti a baby obefa Ghana bia te say wo bia bo party ase we dia say jeje you see my back jeje tin nya no chapter le verse wo mu no wo sa enwum no ye ore no na odi nya ye e biem so no medical de waria tete asenti ensem na eni ayinan what the point of correction ebetu Ghana state hu say baby e kon de say wan nye ashim bia I have the rhyme so there's all the second ebedwa nanka e dia manu enuti wo comment e wo for the rhymes page e bro posti point of correction or tremu say enuti for the rhymes o wakukudro pa say wo hu no face to face a wo betimi akire no say na asem ni city ana na for the rhymes we are ferry sister fie nim ono so reply say shit no the effort no so you can so feel no so kran ko na oyabrewa or the hashtag abrewa e boss ntum say the nya sister fiati asem no wa hu ti baby ote na wo pe Federant chia che say oni baby ote oni baby o nti wa ha hu ento wo the skylight atoto eye Federant baby obefa bia because na wo hwe no na dey Federant Echo TV3 so ko ye show a sister fiati menim nie maba asem na woka o this one point of correction o kesi menim na mu sampa wo yoba na ho de ebusa esemani matwe nya bema Smith aba ha say asem we ye bedu ho enkomo eni ti ba mi twa me hom da ye bekom me
usua
me din ye wo de wapa ese na wo bua o chirichiri mu
ama de say edin ama de common name Ghana
Papa Smith say beef ya koso on social media among the musicians no what won kaka
oh mate bibiri ye koso na me
na ene de e dance so edu baby foforo enter new level na nse na be ba nkomo no so ye ho video Abba Smith.
Really, that was Stefia and
Fida Rhymes.
wow.
Tu say Sister Fia shitty ankasa. And na Fida Rhymes is on you.
Hey, you say baby I could do no.
Now, maybe so. Beefing. What does it play in the industry for musicians?
Oh.
There's an infrastructure saying for musicians.
Most of times, almost the year, if you move beefy, if you move for just I'll get it relevant. Just I'll be back. What we want to do on the era, not the back to the game. We see an upcoming artist or beefy in your work industry that to get recognition. So that's it. Most of the times, yes, you know.
Until just for recognition, fame.
Sometimes they get it too personal, but me back to this level. Say on make share our town because manifest needs I could be fear. They met at the radio station and they make peace. Shatawale ni Stone Boy. Yes, VGMAs and to one in almost have a boom. I see they are very cool. But say more and man now more started beef now more you best beef film now better to what me who be that? Like anyway, I'm shocked. Well look. I'm very shocked.
And TV, so is this thing cool? Like,
and yet, not at all. What example are you setting for the upcoming ones? Who is the fear? We obey you industry. Maybe I feel around now for the obey. What then I'm a kind of beefy because of say obey get relevant industry name. And I feel around so you shouldn't name this into a beefy fear just to get relevant and go for say obey in feel around. So that's a nasty fear. Only Frida Rhymes will be say Frida Rhymes best. I what brand?
a low one brand.
We want a brand.
Oh, but Dabio, who can I say? I got to.
No disrespect to Frida Rhymes, but who me know himself Frida Rhymes no near popularly known than Sister Fia.
Okay.
And so Sister Fia, you should have known how to handle Frida Rhymes no. And yeah, about fighting. How does it? Every time I say Frida Rhymes, they fighting approaching about now. I was thinking I was on in the air, and you can also retaliate with a fight. How does it? You should have made peace.
Okay, fine. Yeah, the flow of beef, you know. So the shots here, WMT, and some of them, yet and some, and we were able to relate it to the people in the industry. And now you wouldn't say she was referring to them. The likes of Sister Debbie, Wendy Shea, Ikeapim Polo, if you're done. Say, we'll be back out upright. So, not to be reply in the beef from you, but though comments came, you wouldn't say. Yes, it was after the release of the WMT na Frida Rhymes didn't flow by. As okay, I understand say that time maybe your recognition hype maybe be sir. Na odi KMT by no. This the fear as I replied him, you got next.
Yeah.
You got next would see everything she said inside that. Those who referred to Frida Rhymes directly or man punchline, but the punchlines were not about personal issues, say like maybe private issues, say maybe Frida Rhymes per boys, nah like Frida Rhymes lifestyle be a enye. I think say one of the line I make ne took it to what say Vodafone sim.
Yeah.
I quite say punchline in that form. But say Frida Rhymes back to retaliate and I said to reply the rap. No, a known rapper. Obianim so a rapper, Frida Rhymes a rapper until she has maybe intellectual ideas of rapping.
Yeah.
Now we'll back up. Now Odi will reply this of point of question, manner like going personally hard on Sister Fia because in some kind of somehow she disgraced her. Because like I say, if you say in this song, you just no say for hype keken, but if you say she has slept with people for verses of her song, she has slept with somebody I mean to the Godfather. Any other people I need so only the friends. Okay, somehow they're going to move it. And do you think say Sister Fia is wrong by reacting in this way because Frida Rhymes hate hard at her?
First of all, I mean blaming Sisia. As someone can say, I mean blaming Sister Fia because we're a high life artist. And a rapper, and go say beef, and no matter what the person said, anyone say get to like say Obesian and I ain't
oh, but so I go personal. Where is it here? But punchline is something you can relate to because in says Sister Fia any bisake the Godfather friends.
Okay. Frida Rhymes. This is Sister Fia. It's also very hard to the extent say okay so name before the Dane Sanya man. Because the man another rapper, female members or the others name any Baronia. What means any Baronia be sharing na life because any Baronia understands the rap. or the rapper say no say beef ye beef. No matter what you say, we be harder than what you brought up. Because what make you this song? I'm looking for something to overtake yours, and yet something to be like level of oh they are now the buy. That's what I say. It's definitely you know what's your on a rap no. And then I'll be coming up with something harder than you to make you feel like say yeah we win you. So we weak you. Say fans now because hey if you don't rhyme, wow really. I say attention. And I mean say on your rapper no quite high life artist. Anything I not hitting it very hard. What could share to kwano. And I'm tell me will be a meteor rapper. And I meteor most of American rappers. These battle rappers, they can even diss you and your mom and your relatives are your review will be a bit mad so they understand it. And then also Sarah battle here face to face. Face to face, say I'm in way. Now walk on we are not doing so much. So what I say, it's easily to fight. Meanwhile, but they hold on to their nerves because they understand what they are about to do. No matter who they diss in your family, even yourself, Krana, you don't have to fight.
Yeah, if the rhymes after o release KMT no, on follow Sister Fia Instagram, any other social media pages. Or no our rapper, identified rapper, you be him so no then that be Fida rhymes as na make am. Obi him so no trend rap. Ninti we a rapper. Na wo be release WMT obi na share bibia say and I hope say also fan hype. No aba app. Now some people reply KMT na right after then no wa unfollow no. And no ono see a rapper so no Fida rhymes say rapper. And no unfollow a yes sister if you na honum there na wo patch.
What unfollow doesn't mean say they got into a physical fight. Unfollow no mean something to say because of anything. A bit man can say ebi aye ya and I go unfollow no ba and uncle lead to something I bit mama ebi I can say death aba. Fight can lead to death. Is on mako siana obi mi am patam na obi ko body baby. I wanna be say something like why something harder. It's the Fiona something harder than what we hear because she only unfollowed no interview because we followers are always raised but we lose one follower it doesn't change anything. So what I say and then go from who say obi unfollow if you want to go check you way on say if you want follow but it's normal but say oh you let the so na oh they are send it pa no kwanze na yan to kwan there that was too heavy. It's too heavy.
Papa Smith when him say who follow rapper you beef who beef Ghana had you can say you be release album be and say single be and say beef na na dey share say and say na release be about him say a trend that celebrities no mu use for man can some good na yan share the likes of Stonebwoy any Shatawale beef no say ne ko wie no and na ediem so no sakọ dey manifest beef any other industry players beef. Now you compare to in my idea to say I get it physical abonti I say it to my face say it to my foot to say Fida rhymes na go betu ni night crowd was sister fia yem sister fia so nyan go betu two Fida rhymes ni crave fi hokama ohun hwebiem na compared to the two like boys no the one with the male industry players any we mu there now mo ye no osha aren't this female playing like normal females say who mo dey they say mad they get attached to things you be say no they are provoked easily say
Emma, baby, na very emotional. So I say, Emma very emotional. And can say, what down for our you baby. Want say, a best show, ya. So I say, into no. What you want say? I used to fear ya papa said, and young who bar, I can cast on some phone natural. So I say, in some or kind, and a man I didn't talk with now. But if I say, Shatawale ni Stonebwoy then for instance. One say, only beefy son. Only one time a friend say, oh, VGM, and no any before, and on air award I am by moving a lady to that and Taquano. Father say, but on what the same Otie Obian and the master, Yapono featuring Stonebwoy. And some now who can I shot to Shatawale. Father say, and sometimes Shatawale reply, say, and you over reply, oh, mommy, no, I can't, sorry to use that word, but also I can't other words. But they can meet right now and nothing will happen. Because Omo and Bema, they understand the game. They know what they want from the beef. Father say they only beef to gain attention. And then I work as will be released on our started beef to get recognition. So what I say, attention member album to new release, but no one say, 100k views, views. So now Odinyiska, Shatawale always say that. Say he does that to get money.
Okay.
If the beef doesn't bring money, he won't get involved.
Lentil they say I'm married the Ako willing to pay.
They are too emotional. Oma koye ma. Oma sa koye ma.
And I don't really cry. You have with the rhymes now. Go back to Sister Fia. You may feel
because Sister Fia approached her. Me a short on approaching because I don't think Sister Fia rhymes never Sister Fia so never better.
okay. Sister Fia rhymes will show TV3.
It's all co. I don't know when I also know TV3. It's all co in the show. And I was Sister Fia crossing over because we had nothing to do over there at that time. And I went to work or sell co into Kwan, which means one hour approaching. So what I say, and I say, "Wako koye high life or aside of banner, so koye high life singer." And I remember when that example say, "Nka Fida rhymes Sundays no the man enu baronia on retaliating or be retaliating in a rap way and in a fight way on back physically something my benefit because she understands the business. She knows what they are doing." Fantasy. Into no way they didn't talk on a whole banner say, "Oh, say or no rapper or something a high life artist." Into high life artist that rapper artist with rap. Definitely, until I get too emotional.
I didn't say Sister Fia a rapper. It's a venture to rap.
Oh, the fact say, oh yeah, rap, oh yeah, rap, and there's a rapper. Shatawale mo yeah dance artist, but I want to be releasing high life songs. That didn't make him a high life artist. Or still a dance artist.
Okay. Okay, and say wait, man, I say, omo beef now becoming dangerous.
Very dangerous because
baby Edru.
Yeah. They should have people protecting them all the time because baby Edru. So almost share 1-on-1. Oh, Chrome, not in go for anywhere. I don't think one will come back alive, and they can come back alive, but very critical moment. Yeah.
Baby, I don't say dangerous and one a year for blaming him on a year fans for most support you and I say a year other big things or more industry say a big Santana other producers are almost tell much money if I blame him.
You can't blame those people. Now,
say I'm for hype on Mama and Kenya beef, and
I'm more they bar out today. For the people to listen, for the journalists to talk about it, for the media people to have something to say about it. How does it? Out now when they buy anything, say, young fans when they react to it, and I'm more media for us to be then ever get something to make like on entertainment news. How does it? Blame no, yeah, the Bama sister, maybe the sister fear because she had nothing to do at the TV premises. Girl, no, for the Arabs never go any interview. Also, what did that Instagram say? Asem na wojina beef no so point of correction so I catch no aka about her no into woman sure wa catch no Instagram fine into woman threaten na wasa koko share no you can't blame Frida Rhymes for that you can only blame I also think say Sister Fia is satisfied with what she did because we be sano nicely why should you even ask why should you even think about fighting? So what I say, yeah, this who this will. I don't think the purpose for her going there was fight. What? Or can I say, see, or can on the Instagram post say, would you have the same confidence to say this to my face? And Fidara is replying. Fidara is replying with the S word. Oh shit. So and also hashtagging no abra just to make her feel bad. Listen, her reply wasn't about yes, I can face you, and I challenge via say oh via say Michelle I mean no be to what no but she could have ignored it say maybe on better be provoking them more because I also now kind of beef is for attention seeking in the industry and if you can't stand if you can't the still want me standing want me hold your emotions then do not get involved. Also does it mean say because it's an industry thing so you can come out and accuse anybody anyhow because it's an industry game. Because you called for it. Once I want to see Obino, you are calling that for that person to reply you. And once that person replies you, doesn't mean say you should go and meet that person face to face or anybody. No. Oh no. It's not done. Okay. It's not done. Papa Daddy, you then brafon kaka. You hear you are saying. Sena a year Sister Fia or reply KMT no or reply or a year you got next no or can or reply KMT no you get no or no call Okoka say Fida Rhymes took it to say same card. Yeah, you are body shaming somebody. What body shaming? No? Body shaming. And don't you think say the counter reaction should have been on also body shaming? No. Once body shaming, she has all the right to also like say anything to you. Obetima destroy any form. And all the year no. Wọ́n sọ obi tún àìsàn sim card. O yẹ ká sọ obi tún sẹ́sìn. O ní ìdẹ́rẹ́ sim card yẹ. Na o ní ìsọmọ yẹ ká. Also the two sim card. Into what you imagine a sim card and you telling me say me want a SIM card. Well, I feel offended. Doesn't mean say maybe say no one to. So the best way to attack you is to reply you with a diss song. Once you diss me, you are calling for a reply. What they say me definitely.
Na say reply no ka say sister Fiaso abrewa. And it's not around and see one. Why bring in private issues?
Rap nanya one line into what everyone and just that's it. She needs more lyrics. She needs more lyrics to complete her music. So what I say. Into no, what you say? No, so you wait me the yan on. I say, and yeah, but not a bit mine here. So we can't send it to see a bit mine here. But also, also the year, yeah.
Now, I'm going to bring in here.
And no, it's make a two beer. Send it market one of my phone is a beer. Or no, say a brown idea beer, a normal. A normal in some beer. And we are normal. But no, person can be. Ever snap on my very running feelings. And I walk away now, only pounds over high life artist.
After we see beef here, question, Shatawale by out because say a journalist, Abeku Santana. Our year are two show or a hypocrite because a brown Shatawale, any stone boy or more beef no. Now or call me. I say on support it and I say or can't something against it. But a man share beef national for 3 weeks, 3 consecutive week now. No, they be our invite one of them. First one, I think say or invite Sister Fia first. And no invite Fida Rhymes. And no invite Eno Baroni. And I will check the way a interview. No, I say okay, or throw more weight or throw support behind their beef. And they say industry players. Ever into beef, so I almost don't know what is their purpose in it. What did they gain from it?
Now say Shatawale say Abeku Santana or a hypocrite. Well, I think Shatawale is wrong. Well, me a fan of Shatawale, Shatawale is but I think Honum or a very wrong say or because of a hypocrite because the entire or no interfere or no Shatawale in stone boy beef no me the reason say someone ended up pulling out a gun. How does it?
Which is dangerous.
Yeah, which is dangerous, yeah, and making move even more than the internet so big to bring peace between you two. But say all the things we also there no, he probably sees them as females, so they wouldn't be able to get the guts to pull out a gun or maybe do something like what Sister Fia did. And let's say if you're not promoting beef, no, fine, we're not promoting beef, no, but on whom is a ma into anything, intimate resorted as near all Shatawale in Stone Boy, no, to the extent the police now be near Marcos and sign, then or court, then whatever. Into no one of Vegas Santana who say, oh, my man, in Tokwasa and Tokwane, sign to intimate beam. So I say, all they can do is social media dissing and I rap dissing. So I say, into no me friend, I Vegas Santana as hypocrite. Yeah.
Okay. And do you have my way game more years? I say I could read to pay. She came with me from Abba. Ten as at all, Mundi to me, yes, cat, me the hype or more release the album.
This year, artist no YouTube page. That's it. Obia YouTube page. Or releasing you now. Most of the times, this song, this song, you video count. But we share this the fair now. Also, a video. Until everyone saw that on YouTube page, you will be rushed to go and watch. Everybody, imagine go for a following, go for a social media following to be a country. When you have views at YouTube page, she's making money out of it. That's simple.
Into making money, yeah. They are getting relevant to the industry.
Yeah.
And when should fans be alarmed at the beefs? Because they see a baby a dream. They be assist a fear any Fida Rhymes a dream. I don't know to assume. Does it mean say automatically fans soon end any enemies and
oh no. Once example now say fear CCC and everyone talk about fans Fida Rhymes one fans and I was the first war fans. But I just say fans never could share or more because no, it will be only on social media. Because say maybe now we only need to miss a fear fan and I'm here Fida Rhymes fan. And I also mean me away. Intimate me no man may discuss it. It will only be social media. It will be a tweet, now I can reply, now I could another trend.
It was for you first some of the comments are up and Tokwano ever to dry ever Twitter no. Me share some of the comments way if we ensure Betty also there what they're about saying. Well, these girls are taking it far. Why should they be fighting just because of social media beefing? Or China dream. Sheila so Edia or Diaba say, I can't stop laughing. See how Frida Rhymes is just showing her legs around. Who does she wants to beat with that? Sister Fia can just sit up on her and kill her. So Edia or Diaba say, now they're Ghana here, it's a funny place to live. Coronavirus is here, we are having a hard time dealing with it, and the females are also making Ghana a happy place with their beefing. Well, now it be like say Frida Rhymes be Tupac Shakur and Sister Fia be Notorious B.
Notorious B. Oh yeah, former rapper be on this way.
No need to practice to be.
Yeah, they killed. Well, it was alleged that they killed each other. Yeah. Tupac, Biggie crew, Tupac, and Tupac so crew chorus. That's how it is.
And go for compare to no and here. We so if charity also there about say, Sister Fia do yawa pa just because of small beefing. You are taking it as World Cup. On who says Sister Fia and beefing so serious and anything if you abano. My main kind William Jano Namifa AC as a William so say, this girls pa I always say girls fighting there it's not a delight to watch. They'll always do what they can to disgrace each other and even tear each other's clothes in public so that everybody will know that seriously they are not happy with each other. Also when they say a man to quite they say ya nite yakasakasa o he na no no e ko ntema bo na ya started to tonto sa kosi se bakube dwa no ni nya ho ne de wo mu nya de kwan mu da wo meko so apre kosi se bakube timi edwa no ho na te se obi ehun se yes be
e jo ene mema na wo na ye jo man ka de on be ye ho no
nkom ebi betu bi go se wig nam ha chalote nam ha pakwan nam ha makeup eni lashes aya tutu afewiem ti e de bade se ye nya mema wo ho a mmepata eye entokwa no and tisesi ano yes fans yes support beef say beef ba yes support ni ekeje gum ni e kan sem
undi me ignore at this time of coronavirus season obi a wo fie something to entertain so what I say obi a person be entertaining no nti won say once obi drop it this time no obi a rush say what who is body who say who body yeah who body right but who nim say oye nyum who nim say oye beat so what I say beef
Martin ni din we about
yeah or a beat so what I say beat no ye on any specialty so what I say intinu obi beef ne koso sa ko dem ne asem no e kan no do no be sem enka on a normal day obi a timi ko na juma no virus now obi enka me so we nya that recognition now or drop it no go for stress every talent to that this song it was outrageous. My expertise is
no nyom
why nyom da
okay
why nyom da ba onye musician or a beat
okay
so that's it and nyom go release your ground it was 3 years ago so that's it into no out of nowhere and over reply sakode over they say sakode and am go for bia with you do to say yeah you feel you hear something to entertain ourselves so they should bring the beef and we also enjoy
the final game for we in chat to as I said, Frida Rhymes, on apologize to Sister Fia and I say, man, apologizing.
No, I've never seen say they can make peace. I'm not make peace. Oh, maybe no, Sister Fia is over as we be because on our question will be on Moko. Until I was bit my back out, I so we be an Amiano. My head, my name,
Sister Fia mum.
Yeah.
I said Frida Rhymes won a say with allegations no level against
it was a this song. It is a this song. Abra also Stefias why this song near man. It is always not say Stefias so apologizing for this in here.
And the 2% Stefia won't apologize.
Yeah, she has to apologize because Obi Koni baby na all standing in Tokwa. It is yen apology and yet Federal is putting apology. Yen apology and say, Ebia na me and my end there, my yen ye, into France, me de, mon family bonnet. I dare why is here, ne fan be ne family rooms and Nancy anymore, we talk as well, then if I am. Obit me lose phone on.
Every year for Papa, Papa Smith Ekano, Sir Munini Adria, Muffa to the Ultima GH comment section now. Oh, the same me, Matia also in Yadria, Fatuja, Ultima GH comment section, and in Yemono, every panel by your back in Kai Eddie Amamo. Obet me, I follow Tuma GH, our Instagram at Tuma GH _ Midi Edina Ama Obusa. I had a member my client, I'm a judgment in AC. Yamia do a better Edin Shemubi, Macramo.